another episode of Stitch on Saturday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do color changes in Tunisian Crochet. I know I previously had another video for this, but I'm going to redo it and show you how to change colors in the beginning of the row, in the middle of the row, and at the end of the row. Alright, so let's start with, so today I'm using my Denise Interchangeable M13 9mm hook, Tunisian crochet hook with a cord and stopper, and then I will be using Yarn Inspirations Bernat Forever Fleece in bergamot and coal. These are super soft. I love these. So let's get started. I am going to do I'm going to do some color changes here, so let's start with the coal. So this is going to be my background, so it's going to be the first color I use. It's going to be color A, so let's get started. Alright, oops. Okay. So let me first make a chain. So we are gonna do, let's just do like 10 stitches, 15 stitches. Let's do 15 stitches. So I'm gonna do Tunisian crochet 15 stitches. I've linked to all the products in my description. And if this is the first time you're trying Tunisian crochet, I would recommend you watch the Tunisian crochet foundation row and simple stitch video. I've linked it here. You can click the eye and it'll take you to the first tutorial. All right, so I am chaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right, so I am chaining 15 with the coal, and now I'm gonna work my foundation row. Again, if you don't know how to do this, I have linked to the video tutorial for the Tunisian crochet foundation row and simple stitch. So you're basically picking up loops in the back bump of each stitch. Right, so let's do this all the way across. Okay, and then let's see, and then we are going to do our return pass. So we're gonna do chain 1, then pull through 2 loops all the way across. I take you through all of this a little bit slowly in that video, so make sure you check it out if this is the first time you're trying Tunisian crochet. Alright, so that is our foundation row. Alright, so first I'm going to show you how to add a color change. I'm going to work up one more row. So I'm going to work another simple stitch row here, and then I'm going to add the color into the third row. Okay, so I'm just working my simple stitch row here, just gonna simple stitch across, and then remember to work under both loops in the last stitch. And then we're going to do our return pass all the way across. Okay, and okay, and then we are going to add, so I'm going to add the color, oops, sorry, I'm going to add the color into the beginning of the row. So when you have 2 loops remaining like this, you've done your return pass and you have 2 loops remaining, you are going to grab your color B and again twist it around this yarn, leaving a little bit of a tail. We are going to twist it around like so, and we are going to work with our color B, pick up a loop and just tighten it a little bit in the back here. So that's how we add it in the beginning of the row. You have to wait until you have two loops remaining on your hook of color A, and then you're going to work the last 2 loops with your color B. And that's going to work into the next. So if you're working with this, you have to follow the pattern. If it's telling you to work the next few stitches with this color, that's what you're going to do. I am going to work another simple stitch, Tunisian simple stitch row, and I'm going to show you how to add the color in the middle of the row. So here we have, I've worked the first few stitches up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm in the 7th stitch, and then I'm going to add in the color in the middle of the row. So the way we do this is we have a little tail here. I'm going to leave a tail, and then I'm going to twist it around the back like so, and then we are just going to pull up a loop with the new color. All right, so here we've added the color in here, and then again we're going to switch back to the other color. The way we switch back is we're just going to twist it over again and pick up a loop. That's it. We've added it in the middle. Okay, so that's how you add it in the middle of the row. You add your new color in the middle of the row. Okay. Oh, and the return pass, the way we do the return pass with the color change is pretty much the same thing, but all right, so we've worked up to the color change. So once we have one color of color A, one loop of color A, and the next loop is our color B, we are gonna again wrap our yarn the same way we did before, and then we are gonna work with color B and pull up through the 2 loops like so. And that's how we do our return pass and the color changes. Okay, then we're gonna twist again, just drop that one, and then pick up 2 loops with this, with color A. And that's how we do the color changes in the middle of the row. Okay, so it's all about twisting your yarn in the back so that it's secure. And then when you have one loop of color A remaining and the next loop is color B, you're going to switch over and pull up through the 2 loops with your color B, and then you're going to switch back to color A. So that's how you do it in the middle of the row. So I'll show you how to add a new color at the end of the row. So let's go across. I'm going to do Tunisian simple stitch across. All right. All right, so we have almost completed the row. We're at the last stitch here. So the way we're gonna add our color at the end of the row, basically you're going to take your yarn, your color B yarn, and we are going to twist it around like this, around the back, like so. Okay, and then we are literally just going to pull up a loop into that last stitch with this yarn here. And that's how you add the color in your last stitch. Okay, and then the way you work it back up in your return pass is you are going to do your last stitch with this color. So you're going to chain 1, and then again we are going to twist around so that the yarn is like that, and then we are going to pull through 2 loops here with this, and then we're going to pull through 2 all the way across. All right, so that's how we add our color B in the last stitch. All right, so I hope that was helpful. That's how we change colors, and beginning of the row, at the end of the row, and in the middle. Let me know if you have any questions. You can drop a comment below and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see, and I will join you guys next time. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials. I'll see you next time. Bye.